Namaskar. Moringa is now very popular as a superfood, but drumstick and its leaves has been a part of our traditional diet for centuries. It has nutritional and medical qualities. Let us see how Moringa can help you in weight loss while nourishing your body with 3 interesting recipes. Our first recipe is rotis made with Moringa leaves. For this, you will need half cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup fresh Moringa leaf washed and finely chopped, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed, a pinch of turmeric powder, water as needed to knead the dough. Start by combining all the ingredients except water in a mixing bowl. Gradually add water and knead a soft dough and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes under a damp cloth. Divide the dough into small balls, roll them into roti and cook on the hot tawa. You can serve this Moringa roti with fresh curd or a simple vegetable curry. In this recipe, Moringa leaves are full of fiber and antioxidant for weight management. Cumin is good for digestion and turmeric is an anti-inflammatory. After these rotis, let us see a recipe for a herbal tea made with Moringa leaves powder. To make this, you will need 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder, 2 cups water, a small piece of fresh ginger, 1/4 spoon of fennel seeds, a pinch of cinnamon powder, which can be an optional. You may also add a few drops of lemon juice if you like. Start by boiling water with ginger and fennel seed for 5 minutes. Remove from heat and stir with Moringa powder. Let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain the tea and add a pinch of cinnamon or lemon juice. This soothing herbal tea is perfect for detoxifying and boosting metabolism. Here, beside Moringa, you have ginger and fennel. They also too help reducing bloating. If you add cinnamon or lemon, it would help you stabilize your blood sugar and enhance fat burning. Now let's see a recipe for Moringa Rasam by adding drumstick. For this, take 4-5 drumsticks, cut into 3-inch pieces, 1 small piece of tamarind, soak and strain it. Or you may also use 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon ghee, salt to taste, 4 cups water. Begin by boiling drumsticks in water with turmeric and salt until they become tender. Be careful not to overcook them or they may break. Heat ghee in a pan, add cumin seed and black pepper, mix in the tamarind water, then add this to the boiled drumstick, simmer for 5-7 minutes and serve warm. This flavorful rasam is both light and satisfying. Besides drumstick, which have a lot of fiber, this recipe also has tamarind and lemon, which can improve the fat metabolism. Black pepper also helps digestion and help with absorption of nutrients. So these are 3 Moringa recipes for weight loss. Scientific studies have also proven that Moringa has bioactive compounds which interacts with living tissues to produce positive health effects. It contains essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and fiber. Fiber helps you feel fuller for a long time, which suppresses hunger for a long time and stops you from snacking in between meals. Moringa is also low in calorie. That's why it is a good addition to your weight loss. If you want to prevent gaining extra weight, whenever it is possible, try to include Moringa in your meals for losing extra weight naturally. But remember, always combine dietary regime with exercise and even balanced lifestyle for the best result. I encourage you all to explore these recipes and share your experience. Let us try to make a healthy choice every day. Namaskar.